Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Mazda CX-5 key fob. First, gather every key fob you intend to program, even those already working. It is crucial that your vehicle's battery is fully charged to prevent any interruptions during the process. Next, you will need to locate your car's programming button, which is typically found beneath the dashboard or near the fuse box. Having these items ready will make the entire procedure much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's get your vehicle ready to accept new key fob signals. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat, ensuring all doors are securely closed but unlocked. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately after, press and release the programming button 3 times in quick succession. You should hear the door lock cycle, indicating your vehicle has entered programming mode, ready for the next step. With your vehicle in programming mode, it's time to link your key fobs. Take your first key fob and press any button on it twice within a 10-second window. You will hear the door lock cycle again, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, simply repeat this exact step for each one. This ensures every fob you want to use with your Mazda CX-5 is properly recognized by the system. To complete the process, turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it from the cylinder. Then, open and close the driver's door once. This action signals to your vehicle that the programming sequence is finished and it will exit programming mode. Finally, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Verify that they can lock, unlock, and perform all intended functions reliably. Congratulations, you've successfully reprogrammed your key fobs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.